I see you're back from outside. I'm tired. This is Lulu. You tired? Did you play a lot? Yes, it was a lot of fun, but I am tired and I need a break. I'm going to lie down. Oh, Lulu's tired. Wow, wow, wow. Archie, this is our dog Archie. You're back too. Wow, wow. I don't think I can run anymore. You tired too? Meow. Let's just relax then. Wow, wow. I don't want to relax. I want to play. I want to have fun. Fun comes in many different ways. What do you mean by that? Sometimes you can have lots of fun running around and jumping and swinging on the swing and playing ball. But it's also fun to just relax, to have quiet play. What do you mean quiet play? We can share stories. We can talk about what happened today. And we can even make plans for tomorrow. Oh, that sounds fun. And I do need a break. I'm so tired. Story time it is. Meow. Alright guys, you ready for the story? Are you comfortable? It's true. You don't always have to run and jump to have fun. Fun comes in so many forms. Right now there are children all over the world, boys and girls who love to run. They love to jump and play. They chase ball, swing high in the playground, splash in the puddles, laugh until their tummy aches. But even the most playful kids need a little break in between. Right now, somewhere, boys and girls are settling down for a little break. Some are tucked in their beds, others curled up with their soft blankets on a plush rug by a fireplace. Their hearts are still full with lots of fun that they had in a day, and their minds are ready to rest. Maybe they're thinking right now about all the adventures of the day, or maybe they're already planning the next day. What games they're going to play, what friends they're going to meet, the places they will go to. And as they think about those fun moments, they're becoming relaxed, very cozy, very comfortable, very calm. Their breathing becomes soft and steady, in and out, in and out. And just like Lulu and Archie, who have fun all day long, now are together getting ready to take a nap. And even during nap there is a joy. Even in stillness there is a play, a different kind of play, because play comes in different forms. When your body is relaxing, there is a gentle play in the stories, in your imagination, in dreams, and even in the way you breathe, softly, slowly, and very soon, with a soft smile on their faces, children all over the world, boys and girls, will drift into peaceful dreams, where they will go on adventures to new places, learn new games, make new friends, and very soon it will be your turn to drift and to dream. So you too can go on an adventure, explore new places, learn new games, make new friends, and when you're ready, you will wake up all refreshed, energized, and in a very good mood, ready for more adventures.